guys, today we are doing part 2 of my toys, and welcome to my channel. Make sure to watch the whole video before we start. 1, 2, 3. Did you subscribe? Good. And like the video before 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now let's start. Okay. Once upon a time, there was an elephant who was jumping around. It was so cute. Then suddenly, and he has a child that is cute, and they was happy. Then suddenly, a werewolf came. Then he stole her baby. Then she couldn't find his baby anywhere, even the big bad wolf. Then suddenly he saw three cutie pies. Hey, did you saw the red elephant with golden stripe and a dotty werewolf with a little bit of pink and black and so much white? Yes, that way. Then suddenly she saw the, then he saw the first video that we made. The fighting boxing. They were still boxing. He said, "Stop fighting. How much time I have to save you?" "Okay, but what do you want?" Then they said, "Then you saw the werewolf following my son, the elephant with golden stripes and a black dots and a little bit of pink and a little bit of black dots and so much white skin." "Yes, I did." Then she started. Then she was about to kill the werewolf, but she was too late. Then the sun was never exist ever again, and the big bad wolf was also never again alive. So make sure to like